Term 2, Class 4, Subject General Knowledge, Lesson 11 to 15. Dear children, you can see there are so many fields where men can prove their might, intelligence, and their energy. Today, we lead a comfortable and easy life only because of our ancestor who had paved an easy path. But you should always keep it in your mind that they struggled a lot to prove themselves. In this chapter, we are going to see some first person who had achieved greatness in various fields. Let us start. Lesson 11, The First. Who was first? Fill in the blanks with the correct option from the help box. In the field of mountaineering, first one, Sherpa Tenzing Norgay, along with Edmund Hillary, was the first to reach Mount Everest. Sherpa Tenzing Norgay, along with the Edmund Hillary, was the first to reach Mount Everest. Second one, political field. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Third one, the first President of USA was George Washington. The first President of USA was George Washington. Fourth one, China was the first country to issue paper currency. China was the first country to issue paper currency. In the field of science, fifth one, Marie Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Marie Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Fifth one, in the field of space science, Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon. Seventh one, Yuri Gagarin was the first human to travel to space. Yuri Gagarin was the first human to travel to space. Eighth one, in the field of sports, Uruguay was the first country to win the Football World Cup. Uruguay was the first country to win the Football World Cup. Ninth one, in the field of space science, the Soviet Union was the first country to launch a satellite into space. The Soviet Union was the first country to launch a satellite into space. Tenth one, that is in the field of medicine, the first heart transplant surgery was performed by Christian Bernard. The first heart transplant surgery was performed by Christian Bernard. Next is about the Olympic Games. The Olympic Games, which originated in ancient Greece as many as 3000 years ago, were revived in the late 19th century and have become the world's preeminent sporting competition. The first modern Olympics took place in 1896 in Athens and featured 280 participants from 13 nations competing in 43 events. 12th one, the Olympic Games. Choose the correct answer. First one, where were the first Olympic Games held? Where were the first Olympic Games held? A. Greece, B. China. The answer is Greece. The answer is Greece. Second one, how often are the Olympic Games held? How often are the Olympic Games held? A. Every 2 years, B. Every 4 years. The answer is every 4 years. The answer is every 4 years. Third one, how many rings make up the Olympic symbol? How many rings make up the Olympic symbols? First one is 5, second one is 6. The answer is 5. Fourth one, what do the Olympic rings represents? What do the Olympic rings represents? A. The primary colors. B. The 5 continents of Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe and the Americas. The answer is the 5 continents of Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe and the Americas. Fifth one, how long do the Summer Olympic Games last? How long do the Summer Olympic Games last? Option A, that is 20 days. B, 16 days. The correct answer is 16 days. Sixth one, in which year were the first modern Olympic Games held? In which year were the first modern Olympic Games held? Option A, 1896. Option B, 1968. The correct answer is 1896. The correct answer is 1896. Seventh one, where is the Olympic torch lit? Where is the Olympic torch lit? Option A, in the host country in Olympia, Greece. The correct answer is in Olympia, Greece. The correct answer is in Olympia, Greece. Next lesson is about 3 C's, that is country, capital and currencies. Here are the names of some countries given. What I would like to share is their capitals and currencies. Children, I hope this would be very interesting. Let's read. Lesson 13, that is 3 C's. Match the name of the country with its capital and currency. Match the name of the country with its capital and currency. First see here, country, capital and currency. I'll tell you the answer. First, India. India, that is country, and the capital is New Delhi. The capital is New Delhi. And the currency is Indian rupee. So, India, New Delhi, Indian rupee. Second one, United States of America. United States of America. The capital is Washington, D.C. The capital is Washington, D.C. And the currency is US dollar. And the currency is US dollar. Third one, China. Third one, China. China, the country is China and the capital is Beijing. The capital is Beijing and the currency is yuan. The currency is yuan. D, that is Japan. The country is Japan and the capital is Tokyo. The capital is Tokyo. The capital is Tokyo and the currency is yen. And the currency is yen. E, next country is Germany. Germany, the country is Germany. The capital is Berlin. The capital is Berlin. And the currency is euro. The currency is euro. The currency is euro. F, Philippines, the country Philippines. The country Philippines. The capital is Manila. The capital is Manila. And the currency is peso. And the currency is peso. G, the country is Russia. The country is Russia. The capital is Moscow. The capital is Moscow. And the currency is ruble. And the currency is ruble. Next one, the country is Thailand. The country is Thailand. The capital is Bangkok. The capital is Bangkok. And the currency is baht. The currency is baht. Next one, the country Brazil. The country Brazil, and the capital is Brasilia, and the capital is Brasilia, and the currency is real, and the currency is real. Next country Canada. The country is Canada. The country is Canada. The capital is Ottawa. The capital is Ottawa, and the currency is Canadian dollar, and the currency is Canadian dollar. Next, the country is United Kingdom. The country is United Kingdom, and the capital is London. The capital is London, and the currency is pound sterling, and the currency is pound sterling. Next, that is United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. The capital is Abu Dhabi. The capital is Abu Dhabi, and the currency is UAE dirham. UAE dirham. Next, the country is Australia. The country is Australia, and the capital is Canberra. The capital is Canberra, and the currency is Australian dollar, and the currency is Australian dollar. And the last one is Pakistan. Pakistan, the country is Pakistan, and the capital is Islamabad, and the capital is Islamabad. The currency is Pakistani rupee. The currency is Pakistani rupee. Children, 14th lesson is about sources of energy. Okay. What is mean by energy? Capacity of doing work is called energy. One form of energy can be converted into other form. For example, to lit an electric torch, we convert chemical energy into light energy. There are many sources of energy such as solar energy, wind energy, and so on. First, we can see solar energy. Lesson 14. Sources of energy. Read the description and unscramble the letters to name the source of energy. Already I told you what is mean by energy. First one, this energy is drawn from the sun. This energy is drawn from the sun. They have given unscramble the letters, we have to correct it. So, ROLSA, that is solar, SOLAR, solar. Second one, this form of energy is clean and powers ships with sails. This form of energy is clean and powers ship with sails. DIWN, that is wind, 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 wind. Third one, this energy is generated and stored in the earth. This energy is generated and stored in the earth. RGOTHELAME. The answer is geothermal. The answer is geothermal. 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 Again, GEOTHERMAL. Geothermal. Fourth one, this energy is produced by the swift movement of water. This energy is produced by the swift, that is fall of water, swift movement of water, that is hydroelectric. See here, YRDOHLTCRIEEC, that means hydroelectric. HYDRO, 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 hydroelectric. ELECTRIC, electric. ELECTRIC, electric. Fifth one, this energy is produced by the rise and fall of ocean waters. This energy is produced by the rise and fall of ocean waters. That is tidal, D-I-A-T-L. So the correct answer is tidal, T-I-D-A-L, tidal, T-I-D-A-L, tidal. Next we can see about museums. Museums are the place where we collect and preserve valuable objects and materials of religious, cultural and historical value. They are a good source of entertainment. These museums help to preserve and promote our cultural heritage. Museums are a storehouse of old artifacts, sculptures, objects, history, etc. We can see the museum with the city it is located in. Lesson 15. Renowned museums. Match the museum with the city it is located in. See here, match the museum with the city it is located in. So we can see the first one, the Louvre. The Louvre, that is, it is in Paris. That is in the country, that is country name is France. Paris, France. Second one, Vatican Museum. This is a Vatican Museum and it is in the Vatican City. It is in the Vatican City. Third one, Shanghai Science and Technology Museum. Again see here, Shanghai Science and Technology Museum. It is in Shanghai, that is in China. Shanghai, China. See here, Shanghai, Shanghai. Okay. So the third one is Shanghai Science Technology Museum, Shanghai, China. Now fourth one, Egyptian Museum. Fourth one is, this is Egyptian Museum. See here, Luxor. It is in Egypt. Luxor. It is in Egypt. Again see here, Egyptian Museum. Egyptian Museum. It is in Luxor, Egypt. Luxor, Egypt. Next, fifth one, Acropolis. Fifth one, Acropolis. It is in Athens, Greece. Athens, Greece. Acropolis, Athens, Greece. Acropolis, Athens, Greece. Sixth one, Smithsonian Museum. Sixth one is Smithsonian Museum and it is in Washington DC, USA. Washington DC, USA. Again see here, Smithsonian Museum. It is in Washington DC, USA. Next, seventh one, Metropolitan Museum of Art. Metropolitan Museum of Art. It is in New York, USA. New York, USA. See here, Metropolitan Museum of Art, New York, USA. Eighth one, Hermitage Museum. Hermitage Museum. It is in St. Petersburg, Russia. It is in St. Petersburg, Russia. Again, Hermitage Museum, St. Petersburg, Russia. Ninth one, British Museum. That is British Museum. It is in London, United Kingdom. London, United Kingdom. Again see here, British Museum, London, United Kingdom. And the last one, 10th one is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangralaya. Again see here, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangralaya. It is in Mumbai, India. Mumbai, India. Thank you, children.